Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Interior Design with Ray, giving you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. Today's video is slightly different because my channel has reached the half milestone of 1000 subscribers. As of recording this video, it has 520 subscribers. And it's all because of you guys. You are truly amazing, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And because of you, I've decided to give away 3 rice cookers to 3 families or people you think need it most during this difficult time, regardless of race or religion. So if you know someone, just email me here and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Oh yes, keep the inquiries coming, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!